date night, Christmas edition, y'all.
Yeah, we're going to take a second look at some
Yeah,
things
he's
we
checking
looked
his
at.
list twice. They have a manger scene one. That's really pretty. That's the Alpine Christmas store.
Oh, okay. I'm surprised Santa Claus ain't up here.
I know, Santa. Well, he's busy, Daddy. You know what I'm saying?
I may have to go over there and act like Santa Claus for these kids.
Yeah.
You know this is a restaurant?
I didn't know. Bigfoot playing a guitar.
Yeah. Do we know anybody that might want this hat?
Let's see.
Jonah?
Can't think of anybody right offhand.
I saw one.
That one?
Pretty good magnet on that one. Oh, they're very reasonable for theirs.
Look at this tiny little billfold, Daddy. That can fit Manly's pocket.
It could fit my bills.
That's
little
adorable.
ones. They're all little ones.
Look at that nutcracker. He's a hunting nutcracker.
Yeah. Credit card? You got it.
What is this? Oh, beard oil. What is that? Oh, that's one of those little, oh, look.
Back in the day.
Yeah. This looks like it's from back in the day, too. It's kind of falling apart a little bit.
We're fixing to go to Walmart.
Yeah, we thought about going to a few more places up there, but they don't let you take your beverages in, and we got our hot coffee.
Yeah.
It was cold.
It's cold. Look at that tree.
Look, our favorite stocking stuffers. Look, rat and mouse going travel.
Yeah.
I don't know. It just says $19.99 and under, so I don't know.
You never know when you need a magnet tool.
Oh, yeah.
Like whenever you get a piece of metal in your eye, and you need to get it out.
And sometimes you can find neat stuff here. Slide whistles, a kazoo. There's some cute socks. Oh, the cow has on star glasses. Those are cute.
Let's see if they got anything on sale over here.
That whole thing is $23.99.
Okay, I'm gonna get that.
Yeah, 12-piece mixed.
Yeah, I'm gonna replace these again. Look, dads, the ones got young boys, like, you know, you got something that's 3-year-old. Whenever they get about 7 or 8, they're gonna start working on their bicycles.
Oh, yeah.
And then you'll lose these, so don't buy anything very expensive. Just get cheaper tools. That way, when they lose them, it's not a big deal.
The flashlights this year have Christmas trees on them. These are only $5, and they really come in handy.
Yeah, you're right about that. I agree.
Toys are 30% off. They always have really cute Christmas cards here. Oh yeah,
Well,
to replace the one that they used to.
Replace the one that the kids broke. They thought
They-
it was
Like a little roller coaster they were making.
You're talking about lighting up something.
Oh, yeah, what, 10,000?
That thing will light it up.
Don't flurry, be happy. The Christmas stuff's 50% off. The secret to a clean kitchen, don't cook. Oh, this is a pretty Christmas tin. That's really pretty. Blessed are those who wash the dishes. Last stop, Walmart. Peppermint popcorn. That's pretty. I'm gonna make some just peanut butter ones, I think.
Okay.
I saw a lady make them, and hers set up in like 5 minutes, and she also lives in the South, same weather as us probably. So I'm gonna follow her recipe, and they should work perfectly.
Okay. Or no pulp?
Oh, I like no pulp.
No pulp. That's what kind of bacon we really love.
The applewood smoked is our favorite. Smells like the mountains.
I might get me a
For-
steering wheel cover. Pull up at a farm. Say y'all got a bull out. Where you at? We'll catch you.
Would Tyler like any of this right here for his cleaning his truck or anything? Like, they've got this waterless car wash. I mean, they're always cleaning their trucks, you know?
Man,
Jacob would probably like that. He used to go fishing, you know?
that would be handy as all get out. You know what I'm saying? I mean, are you even fishing? You know what I'm saying? You talking? And then you're like, I'm gonna fish a minute.
Oh, now they got the brown.
You was
Yeah.
looking for this right here. Do you want this?
Yes, I want the brown, yes.
Okay.
And we'll
Is one
get
roll
a...
enough?
I think so, because I still have some other wrapping paper, too.
Okay.
I think these snowmen would be pretty on the boxes, you think? Oh, that's a pancake thing right there.
What, baby?
A pancake mold.
A pancake mold?
Yeah, and look at
Are
that
you
little
kidding
serving
me?
board.
And I had to struggle the other day.
Yeah, you were struggling. We are 2 days away from Christmas. It's practically here. Let me turn this light on over here. Jonah, Sissy, and Manly are all still asleep. I need to wrap a few things while they're sleeping. Me and Titus, he made some pancakes this morning, so we ate breakfast. I need to finish cleaning all that stuff up. He loves pancakes. As y'all know, pancakes are happening all the time around here. So I'm gonna clean all that up, wrap some presents real quick, and then we gotta make a few more presents. I'm gonna make some no-bake peanut butter cookies, kind of like those chocolate ones, but we're gonna do peanut butter ones, and I'm gonna try a different recipe. It just adds a little bit of flour to them, and I think that they'll set up really good then. And we're also gonna grind up the oats a little bit. I don't think I have any quick oats. I just have old fashioned. This recipe calls for quick oats, so I think I'm gonna just put them in the mini food chopper and grind them up a little bit, and I think that'll work better. Yeah, I don't see any quick oats. I just have old fashioned, so we'll do that. And we're also gonna make some gingerbread loaves. What I like to do, I got a couple more of these little Christmas loaf pans. I like to make the mini loaves and then wash the pan, wrap up the loaf, and put it in the little loaf pan, and then you give that as a gift. So you give the loaf of bread and the clean mini loaf pan. That way they can make more if they want to, and they have their own little Christmas loaf pan. So I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, and then we will wrap some presents. I really can't believe it's Christmas Eve, y'all. Got my Snoopy Jazz on the TV. We're ready. You know what? I think I'm gonna put me on a Christmas movie while I clean and wrap. What do I wanna watch? Prancer?
Hurry, hurry, Mama's looking worried. Will the pie be ready in time? Papa's out getting a tree while my sister and me are writing verses and rhymes. Soon they will be here, same as every year. Everyone wants home for Christmas. No matter if it's near or far, everyone wants home for Christmas. Wherever in the world they are.
We're gonna go ahead and make these cookies. I have 2 cups of the old-fashioned oats in here. I'm just gonna chop them a little bit just to make them a little smaller. That should do it. Now I'm gonna do 2 more cups. I'm gonna go ahead and have this part done. That way when the time comes to add the oats, they're already chopped up and ready. I'm gonna do just a half cup more because it says you might need 4 to 4.5 cups. So I think we can go ahead and do all those. And we're gonna start melting the butter and the sugar in here over medium heat. I've got 1 stick of butter, and I think I'll chop it up into just a few smaller pieces. So yeah, this is pretty much, I made these plain peanut butter ones years ago. I can't even remember, probably 2 or 3 years ago. I saw a lady make them the other day. She called them something blondie oatmeal cookies or something, I can't remember, but it's pretty much just like those chocolate no-bake cookies, but it's without the cocoa, it's just the peanut butter. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put in 2 cups of sugar. I thought these would be really pretty to add to the treat boxes and all because we can put sprinkles on them. We could add them to the gift boxes or even just make these a gift themselves. I have a few of those little gingerbread boxes left over that I got. They would be really pretty packaged up in there. Now the lady that I was watching, I'm gonna link her video down below. She used self-rising flour, so I'm gonna do this exactly like she did. Her setup very quick for her. 1.5 tablespoons of flour. This is a 1.5 tablespoon spoon here, so we'll put that in. We'll mix this around. I'm gonna get 1/2 cup of milk to add in here. And I need to go ahead and get out the vanilla and the peanut butter. Now we'll bring this to a boil and boil it for 2 minutes. Then we'll remove it from the heat and add in the vanilla, peanut butter, and the oats. While this is getting ready, I'll go ahead and lay out some parchment paper.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Sing choirs of angels.
They work. This is great. They definitely set up perfectly. That's perfect, y'all. All right, well, let these finish cooling, package them up, and then we're gonna make some breads. Y'all come back tomorrow. It's full force. Get ready for Christmas.
In the highest, come let us adore him. Come let
How many days till Christmas, Manny?
2 days now.
2 days.